Hey guys, this is going to be a quick share video. This is one item that I purchased from HSN, was that last week? I'm going to I'm going to show you the other items on another video, but I just want to show you this. I wasn't too sure. I knew I would love it, but I didn't know I would love this. And this is Sarah, the Crafter's Companion. And I love this. I might even try to go back and order the hot air balloon. But I never knew this was going to be super cute. And this is how you get rid of your... I did not use... Let me show you what comes. You get everything that's here. You get the template, the dies, and you get this little pack of paper. So here are all the dies. And again, you can even make this out of an invite card if you like. Just, shorten the paper inside for the card and then just make another die cut to put in front so it can cover up that edge. And just lace it with some tulle or something or ribbon. So this by itself, it's really nice. And it comes with all these super cute dies and the purse. Look at that purse. And here's the template. And the template is really easy to use. I did, and this is good because you can do this on the go. Get your little bag of little bits and pieces that you have left over from your papers. I usually keep everything in a nice little case. So you can take this on the go too. And you can cut out several pieces of this little die here, the main die. And this is what it looks like when it cuts. And again, I cut so many pieces so I can use this on the go, wherever you go, on the train, vacation, if you want to stay busy. And what you do, you just, on the back side, this is the bad side. You're going to tape this here or hold it, which one is better. I usually just tape it on to the front so it can hold still. And then you just, Crafter's Companion has a great video when she was on HSN, and you just line the paper up and tape it. Line the paper up 1, 2, and just line the paper up. Whatever color paper you want to use is up to you. So this was cute. And let me show you how it will look at the back. It's a hot mess in the back, but super cute in the front. See, here's the front. Let me show you the first one. The first one, I didn't do a good job with my tape. You can see it a little bit. But if you want to, you can always sprinkle it with some glitter just to hide that tape. But this is how the back is a hot mess. It really is. But, you're going to adhere this to something. So, and you can even cut it down. I'm not sure if this is too big for a 5x7. And you might have to just trim it down. But this is, again, these were just samples I was playing around with. And the only thing you need is scissors, tape, and that's about it. And your cutouts, everything you need for that item. And this is super cute. The bow, look at the bow. And the purse, I did 2 of them. Here's another sample. I love the sample. So you can get together your favorite papers and just go crazy with this. So again, this is for, you could put it on a box, put it on a gift bag, a card, and really dress it up, or anything, a box, so on, anything. So this is so cute. And these are my cutouts that you get, when you actually use the die. And here's the hanger. You could do so much with the hanger. You could dress these up, you could die, ink these and emboss these, and super cute, and use these on projects also. So super cute. Put these in different colors, emboss them. So this was a great item. So I'm gonna try to go back and see if the other thing gets available. Now the next project I'm gonna try to do today or tomorrow. I'm just working on simple projects. I am going to try, I'm not too sure, to combine these 2 dies together. This is what I purchased when Hobby Lobby had that great clearance. Do I still have the tag on it? Yep, still have the tag on it. So and then this is one of the latest from Hobby Lobby. Matter of fact, this was the last one there. So I am going to try to combine these two and see what happens. So wish me luck, guys. Alright guys, the next video will be the other items that I purchased online and also from HSN. I think I have everything now. I think. I wasn't supposed to order until Black Friday, but because of shipping. But some items, I did get some items free shipping when they were having the holiday shopping, I think. And then the other one, I think this one and one more I did purchase recently when they had the craft show. So guys, stay tuned for my next one. It's going to be the HSN and online purchase. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.